Foscarnet detailed drug study. Number 1. Generic name, brand name, drug class, dosage forms. Generic name, Foscarnet sodium, brand name, Foscavir, drug class, antiviral, PET analog, DNA polymerase inhibitor, dosage form, sterile intravenous IV infusion solution, 24 milligrams per milliliter. Number 2. Definition. Foscarnet is a broad-spectrum antiviral medication used primarily for severe viral infections in immunocompromised patients. It is especially useful in infections that are resistant to other antivirals such as acyclovir or ganciclovir. It is most commonly used in HIV/AIDS patients, organ transplant recipients, cancer patients on chemotherapy. 3. Mechanism of action, MOA. Foscarnet is a synthetic inorganic pyrophosphate analog. How it works: 1. Directly binds to viral enzymes, viral DNA polymerase, viral RNA polymerase, reverse transcriptase. 2. Blocks the pyrophosphate binding site. 3. Prevents cleavage of pyrophosphate from deoxynucleotide triphosphates. 4. Stops viral DNA chain elongation, inhibits viral replication. Important clinical advantage: does not require activation by viral thymidine kinase. Therefore effective against acyclovir-resistant HSV, ganciclovir-resistant CMV. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption: poor oral bioavailability. Administered only intravenously. Distribution: widely distributed in body fluids. Penetrates cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, deposits in bone tissue. Protein binding: low, 20%. Metabolism: not significantly metabolized. Elimination: excreted unchanged via kidneys. Clearance directly related to renal function. Half-life: initial half-life 3 to 7 hours. Terminal half-life from bone may extend to 3 to 4 days. Key point: dose must always be adjusted in renal impairment. Number 5. Uses Foscarnet is used for cytomegalovirus, CMV infections, herpes simplex virus, HSV-resistant infections, varicella zoster virus, VZV-resistant cases. Number 6. Indications. Primary indication, CMV retinitis in AIDS patients. Other indications: acyclovir-resistant HSV skin infections, ganciclovir-resistant CMV infections, severe HSV in immunocompromised patients, related antiviral comparisons, ganciclovir, acyclovir. 7. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to Foscarnet, severe renal failure, unless benefits outweigh risks, severe electrolyte imbalance, untreated. 8. Precautions. Before taking this medicine: 1. Renal function, high risk of nephrotoxicity. Baseline serum creatinine required. Frequent renal monitoring mandatory. 2. Electrolyte monitoring. Foscarnet chelates divalent cations causing hypocalcemia, hypomagnesemia, hypokalemia, hypophosphatemia. Seizure risk. Electrolyte imbalance may trigger seizures. 4. Adequate hydration. Prehydration with normal saline reduces kidney toxicity. 5. Pregnancy. Use only if clearly needed. Category C, risk not ruled out. 9. How to use. Administer via controlled IV infusion pump. Infuse slowly over 1 to 2 hours. Never give rapid IV push. Provide pre- and post hydration with IV fluids. Adjust dose according to creatinine clearance. Number 10. Dosing information. CMV retinitis, induction therapy, 60 milligrams kilogram IV every 8 hours or 9 IV every 12 hours. Duration 2 to 3 weeks. Maintenance therapy, 90 to 120 milligram IV once daily. HSV-resistant infections, 40 milligrams per kilogram IV every 8 to 12 hours. Dose must be reduced if creatinine clearance is decreased. Number 11. Missed dose, overdose. Rare, hospital administered. Contact healthcare provider immediately. Overdose symptoms: severe kidney damage, hypocalcemia, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias. Emergency treatment required. Number 12. When to stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately if rapid rise in serum creatinine, severe electrolyte imbalance, seizures, hypersensitivity reaction. Avoid use with other nephrotoxic drugs if possible. 13. Side effects. Common: fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache. Serious: nephrotoxicity, dose-limiting toxicity, hypocalcemia, hypomagnesemia, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, anemia, genital ulcerations due to drug crystallization in urine. 14. Vital safety information. Kidney damage is the most serious risk. Electrolytes must be monitored frequently. Maintain aggressive hydration. Therapy requires hospital supervision. Risk of seizures due to electrolyte imbalance. 15. Drug interactions, other drugs that will affect Foscarnet. Increased nephrotoxicity risk, aminoglycosides, amphotericin B, cyclosporin, tacrolimus, IV contrast agents. Increased seizure risk, drugs lowering seizure threshold. 16. Drug comparison feature, Foscarnet, ganciclovir, acyclovir, asorol. Activation required, no, yes. Yes, bone marrow suppression, no. Common, rare. Nephrotoxicity, high, moderate, mild. Effective in resistant HSV, yes. Limited, no. Root IV only, IV oral. Summary, use Foscarnet when resistance develops to acyclovir or ganciclovir. Number 17, patient teaching. Add a Foscarnet, detailed patient teaching guide. Brand name, Foscavir. Patient teaching is extremely important because Foscarnet can cause serious kidney and electrolyte problems. The patient must understand monitoring and warning signs clearly. Purpose of the medication. Explain to the patient. This medicine is used to treat serious viral infections, especially cytomegalovirus, CMV, resistant herpes infections. It is often used when other antiviral medicines have not worked. Number 2. How the medicine is given. It is given through a vein, IV infusion. It must be infused slowly over 1 to 2 hours. It is usually given in a hospital or infusion center. Sometimes it may be given at home by trained healthcare personnel. Never attempt to inject this medication yourself unless properly trained. Importance of hydration. Drink plenty of fluids unless your doctor restricts fluids. Hydration helps. Protect your kidneys, reduce side effects. Report immediately if you notice decreased urine output, dark urine, swelling in legs. Number 4, monitoring and laboratory tests. Tell the patient you will need frequent blood tests to monitor kidney function, serum creatinine, electrolytes, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphate. Do not miss lab appointments. These tests help prevent serious complications. 5, warning signs. Seek immediate medical attention. Instruct the patient to report immediately if they experience kidney problems, little or no urine, swelling in ankles, feet, sudden weight gain, low calcium or electrolytes, muscle cramps, tingling in fingers or lips, irregular heartbeat, confusion, seizures, allergic reaction, rash, difficulty breathing, swelling of face or throat. 6. Possible common side effects. These may occur and should be reported if severe. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, headache, fatigue. NASH 7, genital care instructions. Foscarnet can cause irritation or ulceration around the genital area due to drug excretion in urine. Teach patient to maintain good perineal hygiene, rinse genital area after urination, keep area clean and dry. Number 8, drug interactions. Tell the patient to inform the doctor if taking other kidney-damaging drugs, aminoglycoside antibiotics, amphotericin B, immunosuppressants, over-the-counter NSAIDs. Do not start new medications without medical advice. Fact 9. Seizure precautions. Because electrolyte imbalance can trigger seizures, avoid activities requiring alertness if feeling dizzy. Report any twitching, shaking, or confusion immediately. Number 10. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Inform your doctor if pregnant or planning pregnancy. Discuss breastfeeding risks with your healthcare provider. Number 11. Adherence and completion of therapy. Do not stop the medication without medical advice. Stopping early may cause infection relapse, drug resistance. 12. Lifestyle advice. Avoid alcohol, may worsen dehydration. Maintain balanced nutrition. Keep follow-up appointments. Inform all healthcare providers that you are on Foscarnet. ACT, key teaching summary, simple version for patients. Drink plenty of fluids. Keep all lab appointments. Report decreased urination. Report muscle cramps or tingling. Do not skip doses. Do not take new medicines without asking your doctor. Thank you. Have a nice day.